Push Rod Fury. Push Rod Fury here. Wow. Loud rain all night. Even with earplugs, it was like sleeping in a drum. A little bit of water got in the tent here and there. Obviously, all my riding gear is still wet from last night, and so this is definitely not the fun, you know, and freedom. And also the let me show you this. You can see that little guy there. Plenty of slugs climbing up on the tent. And so now it's really just getting motivated to get fully dressed in wet riding gear, which is kind of disgusting. And riding, it says no rain on the radar, but there's rain. You can hear it. And riding the rain, so. Day one, you know, probably 1 star. So let's see how today and the rest of the trip plays out. All right, here we go.
Down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Well, here we are in, what is it? Mohican State Park, Ohio. Got the tent set up. I got some neighbors over there. The bike's over there. And a little fire starting. And of course, maybe try my luck at a little refreshment. Oh boy, that's not going to be, that's too much alcohol. Well, I'm a lightweight. I'll probably only drink a little. But the real treat is from the camp store. You know, let me pick this up. Apple strudel dairy-free ice cream. Look at that. So I'll get a spoon and let's give it a try here. I'm in the tent only section. I think it's with tax, it's like $35 a night or something. But last night's camp was free because, well, there's no one there to take my money. And quite frankly, I feel like someone should have paid me to sleep there. All right, let me try this. That's freaking awesome. No, it was a weird aftertaste. But I'll eat it anyway. Tastes like apple strudel and Cool Whip. It's a little weird. Okay. Well, I think that wraps it up for tonight. I just hope it doesn't rain. Doesn't look like it. I can see the stars, so. If you're enjoying watching the trip, subscribe, notifications, all that stuff. Leave a comment, ask questions, and I'll try to capture more excitement. It wasn't really exciting today other than the things that I didn't capture on video, which was extremely unusual stuff. But I'll get into details on that later. All right, thanks. Have a good night.